Do you feel ringing sounds in your ears? Or find it hard to hear clearly in noisy places? Today, let's talk about Audifert supplement and why it's getting so much attention. What is Audifert? Audifert is a health supplement, not a medicine. It is commonly used to support ear and auditory nerve health. Supplements like this help provide nutrients that may support normal ear function. Why ear health matters. Ear health is often ignored until problems start. Long headphone use, loud noise, aging, and nutritional deficiencies can affect hearing quality over time. That's why awareness is more important than quick solutions.
Supplement vs medicine. Let's be clear. Supplements are not treatments.
Audifert does not cure hearing loss or ear diseases. It is only meant for nutritional support, not medical treatment. Always consult an ENT specialist for hearing problems. Who should be careful if you experience sudden hearing loss, ear pain, dizziness? Who should be careful if you experience sudden hearing loss, ear pain, dizziness? Sudden hearing loss, ear pain, dizziness. Continuous ringing, tinnitus. Do not self-medicate. Professional medical advice is essential. Protect your ears by reducing headphone use, avoiding loud noise, eating balanced foods. Getting enough rest. Supplements can support health, but they are not magic solutions. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more health awareness content.